Very good day, children. Now, in my previous class, I had taught you few sums on coordinate geometry. Now, many of you have contacted me and told me about your problems. Now, today I will discuss and solve those problems with you all first, alright? Now, yesterday night it was raining very heavily and now the rain has stopped. But let's see throughout the day whether it rains or not. Whatever it happens, we have to continue with our sums. Alright, so let us open the book on coordinate geometry, exercise 4. Now, you have told me that you are facing problem with the sum number 11. You are facing problem with the sum number 13. And 12 and 14 are quite alike. So, first and foremost, I will solve your queries. So, instead of wasting time, now I am just jumping into the sums. So, you also jump with me to the sums. Class 9 online class part 4 coordinate geometry exercise 4 page 52 from your book Ganit Prakash. Solution 11. What was the sum? Let us show that the 3 points 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2, 3, minus 2 root 3, comma 2 root 3 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Now, 3 points are given to us. First, from looking at the first point, 2, 2, we can easily identify that this first point is in at which quadrant? You are correct, first quadrant. The second one, obviously, both negative values. So, both negative values reflect which quadrant? Third quadrant. And the third number is minus 2 root 3, 2 root 3. It reflects which quadrant? You will tell me through your quiz answer. Today's quiz, which quadrant lies the point minus 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Write it in the comment section, alright, and send me just now. Alright, then I will understand that you are following my class. Now, what is the criteria of an equilateral triangle? Beforehand, many of you have given me correct answers that there are 3 types of triangle based on size. One is scalene triangle, one is isosceles triangle, another is equilateral triangle. Now, in equilateral triangle, what is the criteria? In equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are equal. All 3 sides are same in equilateral triangle or equal. So, I have drawn the figure of an equilateral triangle. Now, in an equilateral triangle, what is the speciality? Here I have drawn the figure ABC because every triangle is made out of 3 points. And AB, the length of AB is equal to the length of BC and the length of CA. All the 3 lengths are same. So, you see I have put the same mark which indicates that the length of AB is equal to length of BC is equal to length of CA. Now, A is 2, 2, B is minus 2, and C is minus 2 root 3, 2 root 3. So, there is one first quadrant or abscissa is in the positive side and ordinate is in the negative side. So, children, immediately in the comment section, tell me which quadrant the point C lies. Immediately, just now. Let's see who is the winner. Now, let us calculate the length of AB. You know how to calculate the length of AB? Yes, through the distance formula. What is distance formula? That is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square root over. Now just putting the value, look, we have taken A and B. What is A? A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. And supporting abscissa is 2, coordinate is 2, abscissa in B is minus 2 and ordinate is minus 2. Now just putting the values, we are getting what? 2 minus this 2 we have kept inside the bracket. Why? For you to understand. Because if you write inside the bracket, you will get confused. Because here is also minus 1 and this 2 is also minus 2. Whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. So if you add, it will come to 2 minus minus makes plus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square. This will give you 2 plus 2, how much it is? 4. 2 plus 2, 4 whole square. Both square is whole square. 4 square means 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. So 16 plus 16, that is equal to root 32 units. Alright. So what is hence the length of AB is root 32 units. Similarly, we will calculate the length of this part, length BC. The length of BC, again B is minus 2 minus 2. So x, consider it as x1 y1, and the abscissa and ordinate of C is minus 2 root 3 2 root 3, that we considered at x2 y2. So again we are finding the length formula, use the applying distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, you put under the root. Now just putting the values, but here the values are few negative values and few positive values. For that what we'll do, we'll just do like this, minus 2 minus, within bracket we'll give minus 2 root 3. Then we put the third bracket and we'll write whole square, just to stop us from getting confused. Plus again minus root 2 minus 2 root 3, this is the third bracket, as square. Now again root 2 from here, minus minus makes plus 2 root 3 whole square, and this is minus 2 root 3 whole square. So here we are getting two values. Do you remember the formula A plus B whole square? Look, the condition is just similar to A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now just you put the values. Instead of A square we write minus 2 whole square, plus instead of 2 we write 2. That A is what? Minus 2, and B is what? Minus 2 root 3. There are two minus sign over here. Minus minus makes plus. Plus 2 root 3 square. What we are getting? 4 plus 2 2s are 4 into 2, 8. 8 root 3. Minus minus makes plus. So plus 8 root 3 plus, this will be how much? 2 root 3. 2 root 3 whole square. Now this root gets cancelled and this will become 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. So instead of 2 root 3 whole square will become 12. So we are writing 12. So what is this? 4 plus 8 root 3 plus 12. Similarly, what is this one? How to solve this one? Minus 2 root 3 whole square. This you will apply the second formula, A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square we will put what? Minus 2 whole square minus 2. Instead of a we will write what? Minus 2. Instead of b what we'll write? Minus 2 root 3. Now let's calculate. Minus minus makes plus, that will be 4. Minus minus minus, that will remain as minus 8 root 3, and this will become minus 2 minus minus makes plus. So minus 4 into 3, root will get dissolved, so it will be 4 into 3, 12. Now it will appear pretty something like this. Now inside the root we will remove the bracket. It will come out like this: 4 plus 8 root 3 plus 12 plus 4 minus 8 root 3 plus 12 plus root 8 3 minus root 8 3 gets cancelled. So what we have inside? 4 plus 12 plus 4 plus 12. Add 4 plus 4, 8. 12 plus 12, 24. What will it is coming to? Root 32 units. So we have already calculated the length of AB has root 32 units. Length of BC is also root 32 units. So the length of AB is equal to BC. Alright. Let's see what is the length of CA. The length of CA abscissa is minus 2, 3 and ordinate is 2 root 3. Consider it as x1, y1. What is the length of A? A is 2, 2. Consider it as x2, y2. Now how to calculate the length of CA? Just putting the distance formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square equals to, just you put the values. Just putting the values, what we are getting? Minus 2 root 3 within small bracket minus 2, and you put the third bracket and whole square. Why? Just to avoid your confusion. Otherwise, if you can avoid confusion, do directly. Plus, again third bracket, inside the third bracket 2 root 3 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square. Alright, all whole square. Now minus 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square, 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square. Again the same thing, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. You know the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Alright, but since here both the middle term is minus, a minus b applies. Now you just put the values and you will get what? Recently I have shown you very clearly how to calculate it. Now again you will calculate it, and the answer you are getting is that 12 plus 8 root 3 plus 4 plus, calculating this you will get 12 minus 8 root 3 plus 4. Now remove the brackets. What it is coming out inside the root? 12 plus, you remove the bracket, 12 plus 8 root 3 plus 4 plus 12 minus 8 root 3 plus 4 plus root 8 3 minus root 8 3 get cancelled. What you are having now? 12 plus 4 plus 12 plus 4. 12 plus 12 will give you 24. 4 plus 4 will give you 8. So if you have problem any, you can do like this. 12 plus 12 will give you 24 plus 4 plus 4 will give you 8. 24 plus 8 will give you 32 units. So CA is also 32 units. Since the length of AB, BC and CA are all same, that is equals to 32 unit, we can write AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to root over 32 units. Hence we can say, since all the sides are equal, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Clear? Whether it is clear or not, immediately mention in the comment section. Class 9, be very careful. Please attend my class. All the class are very important, and I am telling you, next class there will be a test. Hear me. Very carefully listen to me. Next class I am going to take a test on this chapter. Sums will be coming from anywhere, and you will be given a certain amount of time, and within that you have to solve the sum. Clear? Work very seriously, class 9. Now let's solve number 13. In sum number 13, let us show that the points -2, -3, 8, 4, 5, 7 and -1, 1 are the vertices of a rectangle. What does the word vertices means? Vertices means the conjunction points in a rectangle. See, I have drawn the figure of a rectangle. What is the speciality of a rectangle? A rectangle is a figure where it has two equal length and two equal breadth. That means this length is similar and this breadth is similar. The length is AD and BC and the breadth is AB and DC. Alright. So in a rectangle, we know there are two length and two breadth. So if you can prove that the length of AD and BC are same and the length of AB and DC are same, then we can prove that this is a rectangle and all the 4 points are the vertices. Vertices means the points or the corner points of the rectangle. Now let us solve that A. A is what is the value of A? Let us consider A is equal to 2 minus 2. B is equal to 8 minus 4. C is equal to 5, 7. And last but not least, D is equal to -1, 1. Alright? In a rectangle, the length is, there is a breadth. There are two length, two breadth. So we can have to solve. First unit we will solve what? The length of AB is equal to length of DC, breadth. This is what? It will reflect the breadth side. And the length of AD is equal to length of BC. That will solve you what? The length. So if we can prove that the breadth and length are same, then we can come to the conclusion that these 4 points is the vertices of a rectangle. Now what formula we will apply? Yes, no other but the distance formula. What is the distance formula? X1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square under root. Alright. Now coming directly to the sums. First and foremost we have to find out what the length between AB and DC. The length between AB and DC. The length between AB and DC reflects what? The breadth wise. It reflects what? The breadth. It reflects the breadth. Alright. Length of AB. A is 2 minus 2. We are considering as x1, y1. And B is 8, 4. That is x2, y2. Length of AB is root over of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Putting the values, what we'll get? 2 minus 8 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 2 minus 8 will give you minus 6 whole square, and minus 2 minus 4 will give you minus 6 whole square. Minus 6 whole square means minus 6 whole square. That means what? Minus 6 into minus 6. That is minus 6 plus 36. Alright. So 36 plus 36 will give you root over 72 units. Now let's calculate the length of, we have already found the length of AB. Let us consider the length of DC. The length of DC is, D is -1, 1. Let us consider it as x1, y1. The C is equal to 5, 7. Let us consider x2, y2. Applying the distance formula, the length of DC is root over of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Just putting the values. Minus 1 minus 5 minus is there 5 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. Minus 1 minus 5 will give you minus 6. 1 minus 7 will give you minus 6. Look, from 1, if you remove minus 7, how will you get? How much you will get? Minus 6 whole square. So minus 6 into minus 6 over here, I have already solved how it is coming. We will give you 36, 36. Add 36, 36, what you will get? 72. That is equal to 72 units. So we found that the breadth are equal. Breadth is what? AB is equal to DC is equal to 72. So we know that the breadth is equal. Breadth side is equal. Now we don't know about the length. So for the length we have to find AD. We have to find that AD is equal to BC. The length of AD, A and D. A is 2 minus 2. We considered it as x1, y1. D is equal to minus 1, 1, which will consider x2, y2. Putting the distance formula, the length of AD. The length of AD, what will put the distance of formula of AD? What is AD? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Alright. Just putting the values, what we'll get? 2 minus inside the bracket minus 1, because otherwise you will get confused. Alright. Whole square plus again within root minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So from here you will deduce what? Minus minus makes plus. It will comes to 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 2 minus 1. It is coming to minus 3. All whole square. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9. So 9 plus 9, root 18 units. So value of AD or the length of AD is root 18 units. The length of BC, BC, the point B is 8, 4 and C is 5, 7. Consider this one as x1 and y1 and considers this two as x2, y2. The length of BC, BC is root over of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Alright. Now that is equal to 8 minus 5 plus 4 minus 7 whole square. So from 8, if you reduce 5, it is 3. And from 4 minus 7, it is minus 3 whole square. That is coming to 9 plus 9 root over. 9 plus 9 will give you 18 units. So length of both, we have found length of AD and length of BC is equal to 18 units. This you give the lengthwise size. So breadth we have already found what? How much? Breadth was our minus, breadth was, sorry children, root 72 units and the length AD is equal to BC is equal to root 18 units. Since the quadrilateral, what is a quadrilateral? Any four-sided figure is called quadrilateral. ABCD has equal length, that is equal to AD equal to BC is equal to 18 units and equal breadth, that is AB is equal to DC is equal to 72 units. We can conclude that the quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Now, I hope I have solved your queries. Alright, if any queries still exist in your mind, let me know through the comment section. Now today's classwork. Today's classwork is from page 53, 15, sum number 15, 1 to 5 all. Today's classwork, children, not homework, today's classwork. Page 53, sum number 15, that is the short questions 1 to 5. Don't just give the tick, solve it. Show the solve. And sum number 16, 1 to 5, all. You will do just now. Any queries, contact me on this number. 9875441516. No other number. Next class, there might be a test. So don't waste time, children. Start with your sums 15, 16. Alright, and I had given you a quiz. Write it in the comment section. Next class, I will tell who has given me the correct answer. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Keep on doing the sums.